Whoa, it's been a long time. A really long time. It's been like 3 or 4 years. Um, but I'm breaking this hiatus today with a new project. Actually, the first project I'll be starting on this channel, which is now becoming a project channel, I guess. So today we're going to be making a viola. And yeah. And it is finally complete. The viola is done here. I have all the neck pieces, the body, I have the pegs. I think this should work. So I'm going to take this to the printer to print. Project update. So I printed all the things. I didn't film making it, but it's done. You can see that it's printed in multiple different plastics. There's a beige, there's a black, and inside there's that side. There's a sound bar, and then on top is an ugly green color, and then a purple string box. So we have it all glued together, it's all printed, and now I'm just trying to string it. So let's see, I've got I think it's the highest string on so far. We'll see how it goes with the rest of them. So now it's strung, but it's not tuned. So we've got to do that now. There's a tail, bridge, and the strings. It's kind of connected. It's holding up so far, but let's see when we get it to A equals 432. Heyo, sunny day here now. So I'm gonna be reprinting the string box for the viola because it turns out it came out wrong and it wasn't holding a tune, so I could tune it properly, all of them except the lowest string, and it would hold the note for about maybe 4 plucks of the string. So I got some ukulele tuners and I redesigned the string box, printed it wrong, and now I'm printing it again. So let's see how it worked out. Hey everyone, so back on an update with the viola. I've restrung it with a brand new string box. It's no longer a string box, now it has ukulele tuners with metal gears and everything on them. So hopefully they're a lot stronger now. And I fused them together with plastic, the neck and the string box. So hopefully it'll stay on stronger than when I used super glue and it fell off multiple times. Of course you didn't see that because I didn't record it, but it's working now. It makes a sound. I never said it was a good sound. It hasn't been tuned yet, but let's see how it works out. So you've seen the project so far, and I want to make this available for you guys to build, though I will explain later. Take the inspiration to build it with a grain of salt. I'm going to have all the STL files and all the Amazon things that I bought and then link in the description below. But be forewarned, what I'm going to talk about next is about the downsides of my design. So, you know, improve upon what you may with the STL files. But have fun! Well, hey howdy! So I finally got this done. That you've seen in the beginning of this video. It's a viola. It's my passion project. It's the reason why I'm restarting this channel. I made this instrument because I want to show you guys you can make anything. And that's going to be my theme, I guess, in the next coming videos, is that don't be afraid to mess up, because this is kind of a big mess up. And, you know, explore the world. I mean, you're never going to learn anything if you don't try. So I'm going to tell you what I learned. So, a lot of things broke on this. I'm not going to lie, a lot of things. First of all, the tuning on this would not work. I had a friction box design originally, but they were flat cylinders. And for those of you that know how string instruments that use friction pegs tune, is usually they're tapered so that the string pressure holds them in place so they don't spin out of place. Mine were just cylinders, so you know, it's kind of unspun. That's not good, obviously. So I switched to these ukulele tuners. Even then, I designed the plastic wrong 4 times. Here we are, and it works. And, you know, like it plays notes, it holds tunes. The next thing is this tail peg. Broke many times, and it's about to break again. But it broke because I printed it 90 degrees. So I printed it vertically, so it just kind of sheared off and snapped off. That was just poor oversight. And the next thing is just the overall design of this viola. It's not curved this direction as well, so that means that this bridge can just easily flatten it out and give it like a flat belly. So I'm jerry-rigged 2 sound pegs to hold it up, and that's what's been holding it in place. So yeah, I mean, the good thing though is that it plays. So let me play you a song. Let me just make sure it has a good note so I can start this. Okay. Not very in tune. I don't know how to play a viola though, so I think it's pretty good for my first try. So yeah, it plays with a bow, which is especially important if you're trying to make a string instrument. Thank you to my cousins for lending me this. It's been a great help for me learning how to play this song that carefully and exquisitely feels this experience that I've had with this. So yeah, it was a failure in many regards in terms of like the things that broke and everything, but I learned from it. I learned from this failure, and I'm gonna apply it to my next string project that'll be coming out soon, which in regards to my channel isn't very soon, but we'll see. You'll see it'll come out. It'll come out eventually. I'm gonna leave you guys with this beautiful song that I just made up in my head, and I'm gonna play for you.